Hello, we're back again. So,
Nice.
thank you for bearing with us sa water break.
Of course,
Water break.
we just
So,
want
then,
to
like,
apologize for our technical
the
issues
issue.
na rin.
So going back po, napakaganda pa naman ng kwentuhan natin
Okay,
po
yung topic natin
sa
sa
advocacies.
Yes.
So going back po dun, sir, ano po yung highlight ng mga advocacies and initiatives ng Kiwanis Club of Aragons Albay and Kiwanis Club of Mayon?
Ay, ako na. Sige. Ayun, nag-iba yun.
It's okay, it's okay.
Hello. Yan. Sige. Ayun, nagkaroon po tayo ng technical issue or
I'm very sorry
challenge.
for our technical
Ayan.
It's the
Anyway,
beauty of our microphone.
Yes.
Yes.
Pwede siyang i-configure, sir.
Yes.
So going back
Going
po, sir.
back to
Our
the discussion, number one, yung ating, nag-start tayo ng child safety space in shelter, ano. Then number two, yung aming upcoming activity, which is yung tree planting na gustong-gusto ko. Ano, kasi last time madami kami natutunan sa coastal cleanup. Ang saya, grabe, sobrang saya. Kahit namulot kami ng basura, pero yung learning behind the activity is umaapaw at sobra-sobra.
Yeah, the experience too.
Yes, sumali kayo next time. Diba?
For sure, sir.
For sure.
For
Then,
sure.
number three is yung ating tinatawag na nag-reach out kami sa isang indigenous people's community, IP community in
Saan
Santo
po siya?
Domingo.
Yun.
Then, nag-provide tayo ng dental and medical check-up to them. And our therapy, at yun pala ay, for the information of everyone, yun ay na-publish sa Kiwanis International as one of the signature project na Kiwanis.
Congratulations po.
Siya din ang entry ng Bicol region in 2022. Yun, para sa signature project. Then, fourth is yung ating mga fundraising activity. And siguro yun lang muna. Madami pa, pero...
Parang marami pang projects na niluluto.
Yes.
So since marami po, sir, and Miss OJ na projects na linuluto, I think yung question kanina bago nakat. But if may interested po na gustong mag-extend din ng help in their own little ways, paano po ba sila makakapagbigay kahit in cash or in kind if may naantig din na gustong makisabay sa journey niyo po? Ano po ba yung channel or means para makatulong din sila?
Opo, kasi if ever, baka sa amin din na gano'n. Pero, are they free to message you guys po sa Facebook?
Yes, actually, may echo. Test.
Hello.
Test. Alright. So actually, yung iba, they are contacting us personally. And through us, kami na yung kumbaga gumagawa ng way para mas ma-maximize anything na resources na ini-sponsor nila. Just like what happened during the past Typhoon Christine. So, in Technocrat community, ako kasi yung chairwoman ng parang foundation namin. So, para kinolaborate ko siya sa Kiwanis, since na pareho lang naman yung ginagawa. So, aside from ang Kiwanis kasi naghanap ng recipient. So, yun yung partnership namin. And through the help of Erich. So, thank you so much, Erich. Kasi biglaan talaga yung activity namin. So, we have the funds, available yung manpower, na organize ko siya actually packing from shopping ng mga kailangan into packing in a span of half day lang. Tsaka within the day, pinamigay namin siya agad. Kasi gusto namin na ma-execute agad yung activity. Kaya mga biglaan yon. So, gusto din namin na hindi lang basta-basta ma-execute, kundi maibigay talaga sa mga taong kailangan talaga ng tulong. Kasi diba, during the Typhoon Christine, ang daming mga datingan na mga gustong tumulong. So yung iba, syempre, i-represent nila yung barangay nila. Gusto namin eto, ulit-ulit na minsan. Kaya isa yun sa mga binibigyan namin ng priority. We are making it sure na ang nabibigyan ng tulong is yung mga hindi basta-basta naaabutan ng tulong. And everything, we made it possible, of course, sa pinaka-main sponsor natin, Technocrat Community. Si Mentor Josephine, shout out kay Mentor Josephine. Yes, kasi sa kanya talaga galing yung funds. And yung funds na yun is galing din sa mga kaibigan niya sa Manila na gusto din magpaabot ng tulong. Ganun kaganda yung nangyayari. Kasi yung mga individuals na gustong iparating yung acts of kindness nila, na ayaw na nilang i-mention kung sino man sila. So, because of the people na alam nilang ito din yung passion na tumulong, nagagawa natin possible lahat. So, thank you so much, of course, sa Tacloban community, sa Manpower. Shout out ko na din yung nagpahiram sa atin ng truck, di ba? Hindi na kami nag-rent, kundi talagang siya yung nag-represent na ipahiram yung mga trucks niya. Thank you kay Francis Kua. Ayan. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you kay Erich and sa bumubuo din ng Kiwanis.
Thank you so much po, Ms. OJ and Sir Erich. So, ngayon po, since growing na po and lalo pang nag-grow yung community natin, so ano na po yung parang look forward niyo pa in the near future as part of dynamic organization po, yung Kiwanis Club of Albay and Kiwanis Club of Mayon?
Look
Yes.
forward.
Ano ba po
Yes.
ba yung aspirations niyo para sa organizations niyo po?
Sa inyo po, as an individual part of the group.
Yeah, as individual and as a group,
Yeah.
para mas masaya. Sige, as individual, syempre, I am looking forward na mas dumami pa yung, I think, we wanted to reach out more, not just community, but more missionaries, because being part of Kiwanis or kahit anong pang club in Kiwanis, we are missionaries because we carry the vision and the mission of the organization, which is to serve the children of the world. And part of that is, yun yung pinaka-goal ko talaga bilang charter president is to involve more people. And I am happy and grateful beyond, kasi nga, dati, eto po, si Mentor OJ, ayaw niya kasi sinasabi sa kanya galing to, sa kanya galing yan, siya ng ganito, ganyan. And palagi ko siyang kumbaga, ang tamang term nga is support. Lahat ng support na hinihingi ko for our reach out or outreach activity, nandun siya. Pero ayaw niya sabihin na, ako nag-help dito, ganun. So, yung humility behind the act, nandun. And I am so happy kasi nga, finally, kasama na namin siya, di ba? Kasi madami silang, siya mismo, specifically, madami siyang group or individuals na kilala who can actually pull up, resources that could, sabi nga natin dito, amplify voices. Doon naman sa amin, amplify the services. Yun. And
Everything for you and for Kiwanis.
Then for the group naman, ano bang ini-envision namin sa group? Ang ini-envision namin sa group, yung na nilook forward namin sa group is to, to maintain the sisterhood. Kasi kahit mas maganda pala yung hindi nagkakanya-kanyang activity. Mas maganda yung collaboration na tinatawag. Kasi the more that we move together as one, hindi lang namin na-empower yung community, na-empower din namin yung aming organization as a community. So, yun lang for me. And sana, go na tayo doon. Parang si Rupa, di ba? Go, go, go. Yeah. Sige.
Yeah, ako naman, I want to, sana yung podcast na to somehow naka-inspire sa mga individuals, young and old, to be part of this kind of organization, community na ang purpose natin or ang intention natin is to give service, not only sa children, but to all the people in the world, diba, sa community natin. And really appreciated kasi mostly ng mga kasama namin dito, mga busy talaga, professionals, negosyante, but pag binigyan kasi ng oras, yung mag-active, mag-attend ng training, ay mag-attend ng meeting, diba? Mag-attend ng mga activities like kung ano man yung na-organize, it's really a big part of time na sinishare nila. Kaya we encourage also mga young individuals, actually, yung Kiwanis Club of Mayon and Oragon. Nasa stage kami na ngayon na gusto namin mag-encourage ng mga new members. Actually, isa sa program na nilook forward namin is to build a parang junior club junior club para siyang mga group of students, di ba? Mga kabataan, para at least as young as their age right now, nakikita nila yung mga iba't ibang di ba, na-involve sila sa iba't ibang activities, tapos nakikita nila yung totoong nangyayari. Kasi mostly ngayon ng kabataan, lagi natin naririnig yung depression, anxiety, and for me, it's all because ang buhay kasi nila umiikot na sa social media. But if you're going to expose them in different kinds of activities, kasi sa panahon namin noon, wala namang depression, wala namang anxiety, di ba? Wala namang ganun. So, it's our way of making them busy by the involvement sa mga ganito. Kaya sa lahat ng mga nanonood, di ba, if you're a parent and meron kang mga teenagers na gusto nyo na ma-involve din sa mga ganitong activities, we are encouraging you na pwede nyo sila i-endorse sa amin. And at the same time, ikaw, kahit anong edad mo, you can also be part of our club. So, mamili ka na lang, para-pareho lang naman yan. Basta, ang importante doon is iisa yung hangarin natin at layunin natin.
Yes.
Napaka-noble cause naman yung ginagawa natin dito sa Kiwanis, Sir Erich and Miss OJ. So, yun nga po regarding sa membership. So, paano po sila, if gusto po nilang mag-member, pwede na po ba silang mag-message na lang po sa page po ninyo?
Yes. You can contact actually through Smart Speech kasi may mga members naman tayo dito under the club, diba? Tapos pwede kayo mag-message kung sino yung mga kakilala niyong Kiwanyan number. Just feel free na kasi i-endorse naman kayo sa amin.
Ako naman, parang mas na-curious ako how yung pagka-passionate nila sa kanya-kanya nila.
Members na kayo under Club of Oragon.
I really want to know what is the most significant thing or experience na ginawa niyo po for the club.
Significant.
Yes. Ang pinaka-significant siguro is syempre, once na kakastart lang ng club, usually, nandun yung kumbaga tinitimplan nyo kung saan nga ba yung trajectory ng inyong organization or yung club. Siguro yung pinaka-significant that is imperative to the club, at the same time to the growth of the club, is yung sticking together. Kasi paano natin magagawa yung dapat magawa o yung mangyari if walang tao sa likod ng mga nagaganap, parang gano'n. So that's number one. And then syempre, number two is yung we give value, hindi lang dun sa purpose namin as Kiwanyan, but we give value sa mga kasama namin. At the same time sa ginagawa namin. Sabi nga, ano ba yung kwenta sa likod ng kwento ng bawat ginagawa nyo? So yung value namin and yung value ng ginagawa namin, that would impact the community. Kasi yung impact naman ay hindi na pwede siyang ma-measure, pero pwede naman hindi maramdaman lang. So that's The number 3 na pinaka-significant, pero tatlo ang binigay. So number 3 na pinaka-significant is yung network of individuals na at the end of the day, sabi ko nga kanina, kahit nga hindi ko biktima din ng typhoon last 2024, noong October ni Typhoon Christine, pero alam mo yon, yung passion to be of help, yung passion and tinatawag nating compassion to serve the community or the people, nandun talaga siya. So, siguro kahit tumanda talaga, kahit magpapit pa na bata pa naman. So, until we get old siguro, is nandun pa naman talaga yung passion to help, Hindi naman nagre-require siya ng kahit nga, may negosyo ka, nagtatrabaho ka, estudyante ka, as long as that you have the drive to pursue your passion to help, nandun siya. Sabi nga namin sa Student Council sa Bicol University, LLR Reforma, mag-election na. So sabi namin palagi na, make your passion your profession. And our profession is to help the student body of Bicol University.
Wow.
Ganun din kami. Para nag-promote ng yan.
Yeah, ako to add up, lahat actually ng mga sinabi ni Erich, yung mga importante, and I'm just going to add up dun sa mga key points niya, is another thing is the self-discovery. aside from the intention na makatulong, normal naman talaga yun yung number one. Para sa akin, self-discovery in every activity na ginagawa mo. Just like the recent activity na ginawa namin, yung clean and drive, pwedeng isipin niyo na namumulot ng basura. Pero iba pa rin yung impact sa sarili. Alam mo yun, yung namumulot ka ng basura, oh my God, ganito pala kadami. And isa sa realization ko doon, sabi ko, sa bahay na nga lang namin, isang household, tambak lagi ang basura namin in 1 week. Ilang household meron sa Legazpi City alone, sa buong Bicol, sa buong Pilipinas. And in that activity, doon ako na-awaken na, oh my God, paano ba ako makakatulong in my own little way? Na okay, dapat pala, kung bibili ka lang naman ng iwasan yung mga sachet, di ba? Yung makikita mo na, konting tapon mo lang ng papel, itapon na, doon ako na-awaken na, oh my God, yung mga kabila na malilinis pa, pwede mo naman siya i-recycle, pwede mo pang gamitin as scratch pad. So imagine na lang, if ma-involve natin ang each individual na ma-expose sa ganitong activity, na sila mismo may madidiscover sila or ma-realize sila on their own, doon pa lang, we can make a difference. Kasi mahirap talaga tulungan yung buong mundo agad. Magsisimula ang change sa sarili natin.
Yeah.
Kaya the more individuals yung na-introduce natin in this kind of activities, in their own little way, somehow, may nababago doon. And imagine mo lang kung ganun kadami yung individuals na may maliit na pagbabago, that's equivalent to malaking pagbabago already.
Thank you so much, Lisa OJ. So, ngayon po, alam namin na like us na host and co-host dito for the 13th episode, like the Orange community, marami tayong natutunan regarding sa ventures and advocacies ng Kiwanis Club of Oragon, Albay, and Kiwanis Club of Mayon. So, please don't hesitate to support their advocacies and projects. Ito nga po na Snow White and the Seven Wheels. And of course, para updated tayo sa bago nilang mga advocacies and projects, please don't follow their Facebook page at Kiwanis Club of Albay and Kiwanis Club of Mayon. And also, to Technocrat din, Technocrat family.
Yes. So, plug ko na lang, we are welcoming mga bagong members sa community as well as those individuals na gustong kumita on their own, diba? We have a community, Technocrat community, where you can discover your entrepreneurial skills at the same time, ma-achieve mo yung mga small goals mo in diba, in your own little way habang estudyante ka or kahit ano man yung ginagawa mo. Kaya with that, thank you so much to our beautiful host and of course to our host, the Smart Speech. So sa lahat ng mga naghahanap ng mga tutorial, they are also available. May mga tutorial services sila. May mga trainings na ina-offer, personality development. Just come here sa Ranyola Building, 3rd floor.
201 po.
So, may gusto pa po kayong i-share or
Para sa ating Orange
community sa viewers natin ngayon? Or baka may nakalimutan pa pong i-plug?
Yes po.
Yeah, we would just like to thank and of course acknowledge syempre, the presence of our team and yung Smart Speech. And earlier, gusto ko lang pasalamatan syempre yung mga nanonood, because at least somehow ma-shape yung kanilang mind towards yung vision and goal ni Kiwanis. And at the same time, I am happy kasi alam mo yun, parang nanunumbalik yung, parang sabi nga sa Tagalog, umaalog ulit ang puso pagdating sa, sa Technocrat. Kasi, last kong narinig si Mentor OJ magsalita sa madaming tao ay 2020. Yeah,
It's
2020.
our privilege, Madam,
So,
to have you here.
Thank you
Thank you
po.
for
Na ako
spending
mismo.
the call. Thank you din, sir.
Na ako mismo yung nakarinig. Pero ngayon, it's parang another, madami naman ako natutunan. And bit-bit ko na naman siya sa aking pag-uwi. And at the same time, pa nag-talk ako sa madaming tao. And hindi ko yung malilimutan na, alam mo yun, sabi ni Mentor OJ today is, may ma-influence ng konti, pag pinagsama-sama mo yung konti, dadami siya at mas malaki yung impact niya. So, sana yung mga nanonood, ganun din yung na may napulot tayong aral sa first this evening. Nagsimula ng afternoon, naging evening. So, once again, good evening everyone and thank you for inviting us. So, yun.
Ayan, thank you so much for our guest speakers for today. Grabe, nakaka-excite din naman na kanilang mga advocacies na na-share and at the same time, eto guys, please support them sa kanilang upcoming project for next week, The Snow White and the Seven Wheels. Ayun guys, kung meron pa po kayong mga businesses and also want to express your own advertisement here like them, you can also contact here at Smart Speech page, then here sa Facebook, and you can also contact us at 0963-526-0792. We're always excited to collaborate with you guys. Thank you.
Until next time, stay empowered, stay informed.
We got you power to empower.
I am Saidi Victas.
I am Gianna Jimeno. We are your hosts for today.
And this is Amplifying Voices by Smart Speech 2.0. Thank you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you, Sir Eric
Thank
and
you.
Miss OJ. Thank you. And be a Kiwanians. Please don't forget. Bye. Until next time.
Bye.
Thank you.